So here's the thing. We've been up 11% in the last 24 hours, which is a welcome development. The price is currently trading at around 0.44 cent. And we're on the watch list of 22,000 persons, which should give you a signal that you are super early to this project. Like, seriously. And you're going to make massive profit. Easy 10x from here. Believe me, you. We'll get to a realistic price prediction in this video. We'll be talking about the realistic price prediction for this token in an immediate short term. We'll also be looking at the chart and running some technical analysis on this project. And also I'll be giving you guys the information about the event that is forthcoming for this project. Like 24 hours from now, there's an event coming up. I'll also tell you guys. And as you can see, we're currently on the position of 265 position on the coin market cap ranking out of 13,000 cryptos, which is a welcome development. Like, out of 13,000 cryptocurrencies, we are ranked number 265 on coin market cap ranking. Investing in this project now will be one of the best decisions you ever made in 2021, and you're going to be super happy about that. So this project is audited by Cytic. Cytic is one of the top-notch auditors in the crypto space, as you already know. It's built on Ethereum blockchain for those that are new to the project. Before I continue, please, we'll be running a technical analysis. I'll be telling you guys a news update about what's going on. So let me just bring those new to this project up to speed. Let me bring the intending investors up to speed real quick. So my name is Isaac, and you're welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. I really appreciate your love and support. For those that have subscribed already, I really appreciate your love and support. Okay, so let me bring those new to LCX project up to speed real quick. LCX is a regulated and secure trading platform to buy, trade, and store cryptocurrency. They have a native token called LCX with a ticker symbol of LCX, which is an Ethereum token used to pay for fees on the LCX exchange, a centralized exchange for security token sale, and also cryptocurrency. It can also be used to perform other LCX products such as the LCX terminal, which lets users trade across multiple exchanges, and the DeFi terminal, which offer advanced, take note of this part, which offer advanced charting to the limit order built on the top of Uniswap. That's something massive, like, seriously. So they are currently they have an AMA upcoming on November 10th, 6 p.m. CET time zone, and also 12 p.m. ETC time. So you have to take note of that. They have an AMA coming up on 10th of November 2021, 6 p.m. CET time, and also 12 p.m. ET time, with LCX co-founder, LCX founder and CEO. So it's happening live on their Telegram community by then, 10th of November. So you have to take note of that. So for those new to the project, you can get LCX token on Coinbase with USDT pair, USD pair. You can get it on Uniswap, SushiSwap, OX Protocol, Probit Global, Hotbit with a BTC pair and USDT pair, LAC token with a USDT pair, Hit BTC with a Ethereum pair, and LCX exchange. Yeah, it's obvious. You can get it on LCX exchange for multiple pairs. So considering the circulating supply right now, we're going to make a very realistic price prediction for this token. Considering the circulating supply right now, which is 716 million LCX token, and considering the total supply, which is 950 million LCX token, considering the market cap, which is sitting at 320 million LCX token, 320 million US dollars, LCX can easily go a 10x from here, which is just 1,000% pump. Like a 10x from the price which LCX is currently at, which is 44 cents. A 10x from here should take the price to $5. And the market cap by then should be $3.5 billion market cap, which is very realistic and very possible to happen. Considering the market phase we are now, which is a bull cycle, and there are a lot of speculation out there that we might witness a super cycle this time around, LCX can still easily go 20x. Believe me, it's very possible. Investing in it now, you're not going to regret it. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my own opinion, I'm not going to regret in investing in this project. So let's say you invest $100 into the project right now, as at the time of making this video, and it get to $3.5 billion market cap, which is very, 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 very possible, which can easily happen. Your $100 investment should get to $1,000. So LCX got listed on Coinbase few days ago, and believe me, this project is definitely going to get listed on Binance soon. So just imagine what will happen if this project should find its way to Binance. Like, it should get listed on Binance. The exposure is going to be super massive, like explosive. The price will skyrocket, which is very, very possible and is going to happen. So that should give you an edge now over those that are yet to know about this project. Please, in case you like content like this, give this video a thumbs up, like the video. I really appreciate your love and support. Share it to your Twitter page, your Telegram page, community channel, your Reddit group, Reddit page, Reddit wall, whatever, Facebook group, whatever. It really means a lot to me. I really appreciate, and for it to get to more people, and so that they can really, really understand what the project is all about. And okay, so here's the thing. Let's just head straight to their Twitter page. As you can see, I will drop the link to their Twitter and their website page in the description of this video in order for you not to get scammed. And the wait is over. They posted it 27th October 2021. LCX Mobile for Android is out, enjoying the seamless on-the-go access to your digital assets. So for Android user, you can get the app now on Play Store. It's available there. So congratulations. So I will leave the link to their Twitter page, their Telegram community, their website in the description of this video. So real quick, what's the price prediction? Immediate short-term price prediction for LCX. So let's see what's up. So here's the thing. LCX is currently looking for a support right now. It's currently looking for a support in the 15-minute time frame, and also, as you can see, we have a support area of a serious and major support area around 35 cents, and we have another support area at around 42 cents, and we also have a previous support area I drew, but now it's going to be a resistance area at 45 cents. So looking at the RSI right now, we are super bullish. So there's nothing to be afraid of or scared of. We are bullish. And I'm looking at the overall time chart. You will notice we're still bullish. We're currently trading high, which is a welcome development. And a lot of people are getting to know about this project now. Just imagine what will happen if you eventually get listed on Binance. The explosion is going to be massive. Like, there's tendency for LCX to find support at around 42 cents. Which is not something you should panic about, because retracement is necessary for further upward movement. So you need to retrace a little bit for further upward movement, then retrace further upward, retrace further upward. So here's the thing. LCX, forget about this support major support area I drew here. There's tendency it cannot reach this support area. Like, is like, except something mega, like maybe Chinese fraud, something just happened and the whole crypto market is dipping. That's only when it can break this major support area here. And for it to drop from the level it is now to this major support area, that should be around a 30% minus 30% drop. Yeah. So if LCX on the early time frame should be able to close this candle inside between this 45 cent and 42 cent support area and resistance area, and then make its way above the 45 cent and close few candle above the 45 cent, believe me, LCX will be going parabolic. Like, it will be going parabolic, because there's no major resistance area for LCX here. So whatever happened, if LCX should manage and close few candles above this 45 cent area, then the price is going to go wide, parabolic, and then it will kind of try to find support at a particular stage and then consolidate for a while before going another parabolic movement. So that's it. The project is currently bullish, and it's a welcome development. The project is still very, very unknown to so many. So you get it inside now is like is more like you're early to the party, like seriously. So you don't expect to be late to the party and enjoying the party. No, those early to the party are those that really utilize the goodies that comes with the party. So this is a very, very hot gem, if you ask me, a very hot and solid altcoin gem. So invest the amount you can afford to lose. This is cryptocurrency, anything can happen. And my name is Isaac once again. In case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate your love and support. For those that are subscribed already, I really appreciate your love and support. I feel like hugging you. And yeah, please don't forget to like this video, share it to your Twitter page, your Telegram community, Telegram group, Reddit, subreddit group, Facebook group, and the rest, for you to get more exposure so a lot of people can know about our project. So as always, peace.